Hello everyone. This video will show you how to wire a control relay to realize stop, start, latch function. As we know, when we press and hold the push button PB1, the pilot light will be on. However, if we release the push button, the pilot light will be off, which means the machine will stop. So if we need to keep the machine operating, we have to hold the push button. It's not automation. It's ridiculous. So the automation should be the machine will keep running after we press the start push button. So it stopped after we press stop push button. So how to do that? Okay, so we can use the latch function to realize the control for the machine. So let's look at this control system schematic. We have the normally closed PB2, which is normally closed stop push button, and the PB1 will be normally open start push button, because the normally condition for the machine is idle to wait for to start to work. So the first job, you need to fill in the jack color for this diagram by copy the colors and paste the colors on the diagram. And for this diagram, we just use one control relay to realize the latch function. Okay, latch is here, stop, start, latch circuit. Okay, and the same thing, we have 24 volts power supply and a common, and we use this control relay have 4 poles, so we use 2 of them to realize this latch function. So how to do that? Okay, as usual, we from the first rung, after we complete the first line of the rung, and we add the parallel for PB1, and we use another pole to control the output. We use the pilot light as the output. So let's work on this wiring job. Let me adjust the camera to here. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Okay, this is a little bit difficult for the wiring. So the first rung will be PB2. We have a PB2. We connect the power to the PB2. I use this one as PB2, okay? PB2 connect to the positive power supply and come out to the PB1. Okay, come out to the PB1, and the PB1 connect to the control relay, which means it's a positive power supply or control relay. So we have the leads from the PB1 with the alligator side to the positive, and the negative black one connect to the common. Okay, let's see it again. So I have the power supply positive connect to the normally closed push button. Normally closed push button come out to the PB1. Okay, and then PB1 come out to the control relay, positive, and the negative will connect to the grounding, to the common. Okay, this is the first rack. Let's see if the control relay can be activated. Sorry, I didn't power on the system. So I press the push button. Okay, it's on, which means the first line we are wired correctly. Okay, so let's put the parallel. Use another post to realize the latch. This is very important. How to do that? As we can see that we have 4 posts. Okay, 4 posts. We have 4 posts of them. The first post is 1, 5, 9. And the normal open contact is 1, 5. Okay. So this is the 1, 5. This pair of the pole is 1, 5. So we need to put 2 leads, put it in parallel. So we grab 2 leads. 2 leads. One side is a banana, one side is the alligator. So we put the 2 leads in parallel with the PB1. So 2 leads plug in PB1, and another side connect to the 1 post of the control relay. Okay, here is I needed to show very clearly. For the control relay, we have 4 posts. Okay, this is for I forgot the terminal number, but this is 4 posts, 4 pair. This is 1 pair, second pair, third, and 4, which is the 4 posts. We can use this one of them. Okay, and I already have the two terminals, 2 leads from the PB1 in parallel. Okay, connect to the 1 post of them. Okay, how to connect? So 1 lead connect to the positive, 1 lead is connect to the negative. Okay, actually which side, it doesn't matter. So let's press the PB1 to see what happened. You can see the LED keep running, keep on. Not the same with we release the PB1, the LED will be off, so, which means the machine will keep running. Okay. After we press PB2, the machine stop running. So this is the latch, which means when we press the start, the machine will be keep running, and then we press the stop, the machine will be stopped. So this is the latch function. So far we don't have the output, right? So we have the second line to use the pilot light as the output. So we use another port of the control relay for the pilot. So we have we can check the wiring diagram. We can check the wiring diagram. Okay, we use the CR1-2, which means another pole to control the pilot. So we have the power connect to the control relay. Okay, let's come to here. We have the power supply. Come to the control relay. Come to another port of the control relay. You can use the rest of three, one of them, doesn't matter. And another terminal. Okay, you need to use the same pole, okay, not this one. Connect to the pilot. Okay, let's press the PP1. You can see the pilot or the output or the machine will keep running, keep on. Okay, and then when we press the stop, normally close, the machine will stop running. So let's look at it again. I have the power supply. I have the power supply from here connected to the NOS pole of the control relay, and the another terminal of the pole connected to the pilot. Okay. So this is how to use control relay, realize the latch function. So this is the last wiring activity. So it's a little bit difficult. So you need to wire it carefully. Thank you.